Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Alrighty, let's see. What's up? What's poppin'? Oh, I just gotta clean these glasses. You know, it's a daily morning routine of cleaning the glasses because they're damn near impossible to actually clean because the eye doctor said, hey, you should probably get the scratch-proof lenses. Oh, we didn't tell you that they're also impossible to clean. The most annoying thing in the world, I'll tell you that. If your eye doctor says, hey, get these scratch-proof lenses, run the other way. Because they're going to piss you off. Good morning. Let's start here in a minute. Once I get these glasses clean, get on TikTok Live for everybody on TikTok. And then we find some bangers. How'd you guys do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. It's the best I'm gonna do right now. I told you guys, this is not the week to trade options. It just isn't the week. Took my first futures trade yesterday, though. The entry was an accident, but it was setting up the way I wanted it to. So I held it, got a nice little trade out of it. But with my trade of 8, how'd I have this set up? This is NQ. That was yesterday, right? Is that not yesterday? This yesterday. So with my trade of 8, it had the first time that you go and put a order through, it pops up with the thing like, oh, you gotta check it to make sure that like the do not ask again or whatever, like confirm the order's going through. So I tried to get an entry earlier, but then that popped up. So I was like, whatever, I won't take it. And I just canceled the order. So I thought the next time it was setting up that it would do the same thing, but it just completely got rid of it. So I clicked buy and was assuming that that little checkbox would open up. I would have to check it and then could click send, but the order just went right through. So I was already in the position. I was like, all right, well, I might as well hold it because it's setting up how I wanted it to in this area. This 61.8% retracement, nice squeeze, 21 EMA, 8 EMA, and VWAP. And then I was able to catch like a nice, very small pop to the upside. It was only like 9 or 10 points. Nothing crazy. But was the first futures trade during the New York session yesterday. So progress. Anyways. That was the only thing I took yesterday. That was the only thing. So, hopping into today. Let's clean this chart up. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see. Cool. 2 days until New York, baby. You guys are going to be there. I'm excited. Very excited. So, hopping into today's analysis. And I get live on TikTok. I forgot to do that. Holding above previous all-time highs. Previous all-time high. Boom. Hold on. Let's get live for the people on TikTok. The whopping 10 people that joined over there. Make them happy. And then also pull up the DMs to myself. Cool. There we go. Alrighty. So trading above all-time highs. Just take the Fibonacci extensions. Pivot high, pivot low. $17,250.86. It's gonna be our next level. Cool. I mean, you could use here to here. So like 17,204, 17,250. After that, we have a huge gap on Nasdaq for continuation. So, I mean, ideally just looking for an uptrend entry. That 1 hour squeeze we talked about yesterday fired up in the overnight session. As far as a bounce, really not seeing one until if we got down here. So we just mark that for the time being. That looks to be about the only bounce I have for NQ. Actually, no. We have nice 4 hour demand right here. Whoops. Who is calling me? Alrighty, so I would be interested in that 4 hour demand if we got down there. A little larger of a zone, but that's about the only bounce area I really see. Cool. There we go. Again, if you guys are just tapping in, let me know how yesterday went. You make money, lose money, take no trades. Type it up in the chat. Hold on 1 second. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much my only bounce area. Break below there, we got a little smaller area down there. Break above overnight highs, we got a continuation. We can look for an uptrend entry. So that's it for NQ. QQQ. Yep, we're trading at all-time highs. You can't sit here and say, oh, we're going to reject here, here, here. You need to rely on Fibonacci extensions. That's the only thing that we can use up here. So let's see, QQQ. That's breaking above that 127 extension. The next one I have is at 416, psychological resistance 415. What was this? 261. We can go ahead and take that off. Just mark 415. 5. Boom. 416, 18, and then 431. Cool. That's it. And then I'll watch that that same demand bounce that I have for NQ. So that's pretty much it there. Trading above the all-time highs. Yeah, uptrend entry. I don't have a reason to try to reject this, especially because SPY is getting super close to all-time high. So I feel like they're just gonna try to push SPY either today or tomorrow to that all-time high. We're like $2 away. So gonna go ahead and watch that. So that's everything on QQQ. Let's head on over to ES. See what we got here. Actually, with ES, we got a nice fib. There we go. Got two nice fibs, and then we got demand as well. So ideally would prefer the fibs, but we'll watch that demand. Let's see, we're trading above all-time highs. 4808. Yeah, I like 48.29, 48.26 for a bounce on ES. So that's going to be the area I'm going to be watching. And then demand, that's pretty much it. Clear 48.41. We got more upside. SPY in all-time highs. Head on over to SPY. Believe, yep, 479.88 is going to be our level. So as far as the bounce on SPY, as long as we remain below 477.63, I'm willing to look for a bounce at 476.26 and 475.94. Break above 477.63. The only logical area for us to go is going to be 480. So that is it on SPY. Cool. Let's head on over to the watch list. And then I believe just SPX. I don't know if SPX is near. Okay, I mean 4,800 could be a little bit of a resistance, so we'll see what happens there. But after that, SPX all-time high 48.1862. Cool. Let's run through some individuals, and real quick, let's check the economic calendar. See what we got going on today. Jobless claims, trade balance, retail inventories, wholesale, pending home sales. So, I mean, the main thing is going to be initial jobless claims, and then maybe a little bit of volatility at 10 for pending home sales. But Apple held the 61.8 on the 4-hour. Nice little pop-up. Nothing crazy. Broke out that little wedge right there. Personally, nothing I'm too excited about. AMD, super close to that bounce level. I'd say a high-risk breakout above 146.85, or we could watch that 1-hour 21 EMA for a bounce. So I like AMD. For more upside, this has been a very strong name. So keep that on watch. Amazon, still in that 4-hour squeeze. Today's Thursday, so maybe we might be able to get that butterfly swing going into tomorrow. Let's see. Stochastic slow. Yeah, we'll see end of day. Maybe a butterfly. Maybe the 155, 160, 165s. Or maybe just an outright swing. I don't know yet. We'll see, though. I do like this setup a lot. Let's see. I forget what color I had these. Let's make it blue. All right. Cool. Put Amazon on the side watch. Keep that on the swing list today. Boeing. Still don't care about. Boeing's just in a range. Coin. Don't care about. Costco. Trying to break all-time highs again. Paid the $15 dividend and didn't even drop. That's crazy. Typically it does. So Costco don't care about. CRM squeezing. Surprised it's not squeezing on the 4-hour. Don't care. GLD. That had a nice breakout yesterday if you guys took that ascending triangle that we talked about. That actually had a very nice move off of that. But nothing I'm going to watch today. Google don't care about. IWM. Again, still would mainly be interested if this came back and retested 200. So could be a little bit until that happens. Let's see. Meta still in that like upper channel right there. But maybe a bounce at that 1-hour 21 EMA or high risk breakout above 360. So potential Meta setup. Microsoft still watching that daily squeeze. Still holding that structure. I like it. Maybe a swing trade tomorrow, today or tomorrow, going into next week. We'll see. But not a bad setup there. Continue to keep your eye on it. That's all I gotta say. Especially if that 4-hour squeeze fire or daily squeeze fires up. Netflix, don't care about NVDA. I prefer the AMD, but I mean, if you want to watch it over that pre-market high for a high risk break, you can. Like 496.80. But personally, nothing for me on NVIDIA. PayPal. Let's see. Yes, that's squeezing on the 4-hour. So kind of just in consolidation right here. QQQ we looked at. Roku, Shopify. Don't care about. SPX we already did. And Tesla, which actually looks really good. It was very strong yesterday when the market was pulling. I'd say it bounced towards like that 1-hour 21 EMA is ideally what I would like to look for. Plus, we had that close right near it. So like 261.7. So as far as individuals, what I like today, AMD, Amazon, Meta, and Tesla. And then, of course, buying QQQ ESNQ. Cool. Also, I wanted to take a look at Mara. I saw that was up a decent bit. Oh, never mind. It was up a decent bit, but then pulled back. I wonder, does that mean Bitcoin's pulling back? I know Ethereum hit a new 52-week high. Bitcoin's slightly pulling back. Yeah, made that new 52-week high, pulled back a little bit. Nothing concerning though. Cool. Just trying to form a daily squeeze. I like it. Awesome. Again, if you guys want this watch list, post it up in the chat though in the YouTube live stream. Make sure you guys are running up them likes. We got 150 people. Only, what is that, 56 likes. So if you guys want it, take 5 seconds to click that like button. Let's see, it's 8:21. We got jobless claims in 9 minutes. Guess I can take a look at some of your stocks. Let's do it. What you guys got? SoFi. Not a stock I trade, but best case scenario, or your best bet would just be watching for an uptrend entry. Maybe that 1-hour 21 EMA towards 1030, or use a fib retracement 1020, 1014. But best bet, like I said, watch for an uptrend entry. I don't see anything blocking this until we get up towards that previous 52-week high. So, Clorox, not yet. I see the setup. It's just the stochastic slow and the on-balance volume aren't really giving any buy signals. So it could just sit here for a little longer until it does, or it falls apart. But no stochastic buy signals. The on-balance volume isn't breaking out for me. So it could go, but not my definition of an A+ swing. So I'll wait for buy signals. If there is none, then I won't take it. Yeah, right. Mara pulled back pretty hard though in the overnight session. So personally, not something that I'm watching. Let's see, Neo. Hit that fib, bounced. A lot of volume this day. I mean, if it shows strength above 9.6, it's got a gap to 10 and then 1022. You got the book today? Let's go. Good morning, Lance. Let's see, MSTR. Huge breakout yesterday. Pulled back in the overnight session. This would be where I would watch the bounce. Or you could take, it doesn't really matter. You could take there to there or there to there. So in general, this would be the areas I would look for a bounce, or even here. So a few different ones that you could watch. That's it for MSTR. I was about to, something happened with uranium. I don't know what happened because I looked it up. I didn't see any specific news, but I'm probably just going to close the rest of my swings this morning. They're still, what, $3 in the money? Equity is still up. Let's pull it up. Let's see. How much we up on equity? Equity is still up 27% for my entry. So don't you dare go out on me. Better come back. There we go. We back, baby. We back. We back. But yeah, I don't know what's up with this gap down. I didn't see anything specific. So might just go ahead and close the rest if it doesn't recover. Unless there was like some uranium roll that I don't know about. I don't know what uranium futures are, to be honest with you. All right. Time is at 8:25. We got 5 minutes. 5 minutes till the news. What other questions you guys got? Take a look at HUD. I mean, it's going to be the same thing as Riot and Mara. They all did the same exact pull. But not really seemed like a good bounce. You can watch that 4-hour 21. You can see support, 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 support. So, like 15.68 is where it's currently at. Yeah, nothing else I really see. Yeah, but that news was from a day ago. It would have happened yesterday if it was reacting off of that news. Not like it did in the overnight session. Yep, I took NQ. And Agent, I have like 2 or 3 videos showing how to identify supply and demand. All right, well, real quick before this news comes, I'm gonna go get water real quick, turn on the heat, and I will be back in a couple minutes. Everybody stay here. I'll be right back. All right, we back, baby. We back. And just in time, 30 seconds. Let's do this. Let me pull up Twitter, get the news ready to go. Boom. Alrighty. Cool. 10 seconds. Oh, there it is. What we gonna do? What are the jobless claims? 218,000, forecast 210, previous 205. So above. And we should get continuing claims today. Continuing 1.875 mil, forecast 1.875 mil, previous 1.865 mil. Cool. We is good. All right, let's see how the market reacts, finalize some levels, and then we're gonna be good. I do know that NQ had a nice setup in the pre-market. Had a nice little pullback, nice little fair value gap on the 15-minute. Right there. Pull back towards that 21 EMA, nice little push. What is that? 13, 14 points. But yeah, I mean, we got a few different bounces that we could use, but we'll see. Good morning. How many of you are going to this Team Bull meetup on Saturday? Curious. If you got my book and you bring it, and it's not already signed, I will indeed sign it. Are we just sweeping the liquidity up here and then pulling back? Let's see, let's go back on over to ES. We could just sweep liquidity. Again, if you're in Team Bull, we put up the link. I think it filled up. It's only for Team Bull members. It might actually be filled. I don't know. But if you're going to be there, I see ya. $10-hour drive. Sheesh. That's dedication. You did do that. Nah, New York. New York. Alrighty, let's finalize some levels. I don't think too much else is going to happen here. Alright, let's get these SPY levels. SPY. Alright. SPY. Uptrend entry above 477.63. Bounce 476.26, then 475.94. All right, there's SPY, QQQ. I think our best bet for QQQ is going to be watching that NQ demand. Maybe the 1 hour 21 EMA. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. No good bounce, actually. QQQ. No good bounces. Looking for an uptrend entry. And then we had, what was it? AMD, Amazon, a couple other names. One was Tesla. Let's see, AMD. As long as it doesn't break this high, I'm interested. Could honestly just shoot right into 150. That's the next logical area for this thing to go. It doesn't have any resistance. So AMD I like. Amazon might take a little longer to set up, but I still like it a lot, especially that 4 hour setup. Tesla. What was the other stock? I thought we had 4. Meta. Let's see, Meta. Meta. It's gonna be okay. Is that a misprint? I think it misprinted right into my level. I hate when it does that. Ooh. I mean, yeah, the places in New York are super expensive for New Year's. Take a wild guess how much the one night at this one hotel. Take a guess how much it is. Let's take a wild guess. But I think we're going to do AMD and Tesla. AMD. Uptrend entry above 146.88. Tesla. Yeah, you hit it right on the money. It was like 15.17 for the night. Cool. $15.17. Yes, it is the 21 EMA is the white dotted line. Cool. Team Bull members, you got access to the watch list. YouTube channel members, you're about to have access to the watch list. And if you're in the YouTube live stream and you want it posted up, all you got to do is take 2 seconds, click that like button. And once we hit, let's do 125 likes today, I'll give you guys a watch list. Boom. YouTube channel members, you got it now. People in the TikTok live, if you just keep clicking that little heart, I'll give it to you guys here in a little bit. Yeah, we're going to have BullCon next year. That's going to be way more exciting. BullCon going to be lit. But super excited to meet some of you guys. especially the ones that have been following me for a while. Let's see, what are we at? We're at 116, 118. You guys only need 6 more. Oh yeah, trust me, it's a small room too. I didn't even say how big it is. I think it was like, I can't remember right off the top of my head. Did it just cut out again? Come on, come back. Come back. There it is. It was less than 1,000 square feet. I'll tell you that. 5 more likes. FOMO. You guys are getting there. Ooh. All right. 125 likes. There we go. All right, let's give you guys this watch list. So, as always, well, actually, this week specifically, typically it's a low volume week. It's a short week. It's the end of the year. A lot of people aren't trading. The market could be a little harder to trade. As we saw yesterday and the day before, we really didn't do anything, right? So this was, what was this? This was Tuesday. So just a slow grind up all day is what we did. Not the most exciting price action. Yesterday, we did absolutely nothing until the end of the day. Not exciting price action. So trade very safe and trade smart today. This entire week, it's risk off. A lot of the traders I know aren't even trading this week. There's a reason why we are all risk off or aren't trading at all. It's because just this week, it's a low volume, not the highest probability setups. So if you're going to take something, just stay risk off. If you want to cure FOMO, just take one contract. But yeah, if you don't take anything, or if you don't see anything, don't take it, right? This is the one week where people just end up blowing accounts left and right. So trade very safe, trade smart. And as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion. In my opinion, only option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So with that being said, here's what I'm watching on SPY, QQQ, AMD, Tesla. Everybody in the TikTok live stream, I'm gonna give this to you guys as well. Also, for the people on the TikTok live, if you haven't already, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Over 860 videos on the channel teaching you on how to trade. Plus, I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. So if you're not subscribed over there, verified YouTube, 67.2K subscribers, you're missing out. But as far as the people in the TikTok live stream, here is my watch list for the day. And if the market falls apart, simply won't take a trade. Everything I'm watching is pretty much to the upside. I don't have any rejects. It's not really a reason to try to reject. So market falls apart, walk away for the day. Cool. I mean, people could. I don't know if it's common. But yeah, they have the tax harvesting. But market's still going up, so even if people are tax harvesting, we're still going up. But let's go and wrap it up today, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody have a blessed day. Trade safe, trade smart. And I'm not trading tomorrow. I'm not going to be here tomorrow. Taking the day off. Last trading day of the year. Just going to chill. Markets close Monday anyway, so take a long weekend. But yeah, trade safe, trade smart. Appreciate all of you. Everybody have a good New Year's. If you're in New York, I'll see you there. Other than that, I'll see everybody on Tuesday. And peace.